Hi there. This video is an extract from my course on productivity and time management, and in it I'll be sharing some insights into dramatically improving your productivity. If you enjoy the content, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel for more success and life-related philosophies. And if you are interested in learning more, please consider enrolling for the full course by following the link in the description below. Hope you enjoy the video and hope to see you in the full course. Focus is about saying no. Steve Jobs. 5 words and 2 letters to live by. I had heard people warning about the dangers of being a yes man before, but being somewhat of a people pleaser, I'd never really taken it to heart. I mean, what damage could saying yes all the time really do? Now, back when I was severely overworked and on the verge of collapse from fatigue, when I could not find the time to exercise, work, and attend to all the social callings, when I was not able to walk from one room to the next without forgetting why I was walking in the first place, due to the sheer volume of information my brain was feebly attempting to process. It was back then that I heard the warnings about yes, but I did not listen to them. Thankfully, my eyes opened, hearing turned into listening, and I came across the words of one of the pioneers of computing. Steve Jobs was known for the fact that he had equal reverence for the things that he did not achieve as for the things that he did. He was a man who understood the opportunity costs of saying yes to everything, a man who made no secret of the value of no. As Jim Rohn once put it, do not let your mouth overload your back. Learn to say no as frequently and to the point as you possibly can. You have no responsibility to produce a reason or an excuse. Just say no and put your priorities and goals first. Remember, whatever you may be capable of, you are still human and you have a finite capacity. Do not burden your back with the promises of your mouth. Instead, focus on what you can carry and carry it well. This will serve your personal productivity more than you can possibly imagine, especially if you are in the habit of saying yes. Focus is about saying no.